What's the meaning of charade? Charade. Charade.
Charade. Charade. Charade refers to a game or act in which words or phrases are represented by gestures or by the syllables of words, and the participants have to guess the intended meaning. In this game, one person acts out a phrase or word without speaking, while the others in the group try to guess what it is. The aim of the game is to successfully communicate the word or phrase in a humorous or entertaining way. Charades is often played at parties, gatherings, or as a team-building activity.